Hello, happy artists! Today, our coloring adventure features one of the softest and most energetic friends in nature, the rabbit. Rabbits are famous for their long ears and their love for hopping. Get your gray, brown, white, and even light pink crayons ready. Let's hop right into the wonderful world of rabbits. Rabbits are mammals. This means they have warm blood, are covered in soft fur, and mother rabbits take great care of their babies, feeding them with milk. They are often confused with rodents, but they actually belong to a group called lagomorphs. As you start coloring that fluffy fur, imagine how soft a rabbit feels under your touch. Where do rabbits live? Wild rabbits live in many different places, from green meadows and forests to dry deserts. Many live in clever underground tunnels called warrens. These warrens are like secret cities with many rooms for sleeping and nesting. It keeps them cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Besides wild rabbits, many rabbits live in homes as pets. They love having a cozy hutch or a safe space in the house where they can run and play. Pet rabbits are very social and can even be trained to come when you call their name. Do you have a pet rabbit, or would you like to have one? Take a look at those long, beautiful ears. A rabbit's ears are like satellite dishes. They can turn them 180 degrees to find exactly where a sound is coming from. This helps them hear tiny noises from far away, like a twig snapping in the forest. It's their best way to stay safe from danger. Did you know those big ears do more than just hear? They also help the rabbit stay cool. Rabbits don't sweat like humans do. Instead, their ears have many tiny blood vessels. When it's hot, the ears help release heat from their body. It's their very own built-in air conditioner. Look at the rabbit's eyes on your coloring page. Because their eyes are on the sides of their head, rabbits have panoramic vision. They can see almost 360 degrees around them. They can see things coming from behind or above without even turning their head. They are always watching the sky for hungry hawks. Even though they see almost everything, rabbits have a tiny blind spot right in front of their nose. To see something close up, they often tilt their head to one side. While you color the face, imagine your rabbit tilting its head to get a better look at a delicious carrot. Notice the rabbit's nose. It never stops twitching. Rabbits have an incredible sense of smell. They twitch their nose to move the air around and catch even the faintest scent of food or danger. A happy rabbit's nose can twitch up to 120 times in just 1 minute. What does a rabbit eat? They are herbivores, which means they only eat plants. They love fresh grass, hay, and leafy greens like spinach and kale. While they do love carrots, carrots are actually like candy for them because they have a lot of sugar. They should only eat a little bit of carrot as a special treat. Here is a cool secret. A rabbit's teeth never stop growing. To keep them from getting too long, rabbits have to chew on tough hay and wood. The chewing wears the teeth down and keeps them at the perfect length. They are like little natural lawnmowers that are always working. Rabbits are amazing athletes. They have very strong back legs that act like powerful springs. Some rabbits can jump over 3 feet high and run up to 30 miles per hour. They use these strong legs to zigzag through the grass when they need to run fast. They are the Olympic sprinters of the forest. Have you ever seen a rabbit suddenly jump into the air and twist its body? This is called a binky. It's the rabbit's way of showing they are extremely happy and excited. It's like a joyful dance of celebration. While you color, imagine your rabbit doing a happy binky in a field of flowers. How do rabbits talk? If a rabbit feels danger, it will thump its strong back leg on the ground to warn its friends. It makes a loud thump-thump sound. When they are very relaxed and happy, they might grind their teeth softly, which is like a cat's purr. They are very quiet but very expressive. A mother rabbit is called a doe, and a father rabbit is called a buck. The babies are called kits, short for kittens. When kits are born, they have no fur and their eyes are closed. But they grow very fast. In just a few weeks, they become fluffy little balls of energy ready to explore the world. Look at the short, fluffy tail. It's often called a scut. In the wild, when a rabbit runs, the white underside of its tail acts like a signal to other rabbits to follow them to safety. It's like a little white flag that says, "Follow me to the warren." How does a rabbit sleep? They are most active at dawn and dusk, which is called crepuscular. They often take many short naps during the day. Sometimes they even sleep with their eyes open. This helps them stay alert even when they are resting. They are very light sleepers. There are many different breeds of rabbits. The lionhead has a mane of long fur around its neck, just like a lion. The lop rabbits have long ears that hang down instead of standing up. Some are tiny, like the Netherland dwarf, and some are huge, like the Flemish giant, which can be as big as a dog. Rabbits are very clean animals. They spend a lot of time grooming themselves, just like cats do. They use their paws to wash their face and ears. If you have two rabbits, they will often groom each other to show they are best friends. This is called mutual grooming, and it's very sweet to watch. Now, while we finish our coloring, listen to the story of Rosie. Rosie was a small gray rabbit who lived in a busy meadow. One year, the summer was very dry, and most of the grass turned brown. All the animals were hungry. Rosie used her powerful nose to sniff the dry air. She remembered a secret spot near the old oak tree where the ground stayed cool. She hopped over and started to dig gently. Under the dry leaves, she found a patch of beautiful green clover. Rosie didn't eat it all herself. She hopped back and led her friends to the green patch. Everyone had a delicious feast. Rosie showed everyone that by using your senses and sharing with others, you can be a hero. Just like Rosie, you are using your talents today to make something beautiful. Rabbits are very smart. They can learn their names, solve simple puzzles, and even be taught to do tricks like jumping through hoops. They have a great memory for where they find the best food and where their home is located. They are much more clever than people think. Rabbits are master diggers. They use their strong front paws to move dirt and create their homes. Even pet rabbits love to dig. If you give them a box of shredded paper or a safe place to dig, they will be very happy. It's a natural instinct that keeps their muscles strong. Rabbits are an important part of nature. They help spread seeds for new plants and are food for other animals in the wild. By coloring this picture and learning about them, you are showing how much you care about the animals of our world. We must always treat them with kindness. Look at your masterpiece. Your rabbit looks so soft and ready to hop. Today we learned about Binky's 360-degree vision and the brave story of Rosie. You did a fantastic job, little artist. Show your drawing to your family and tell them your favorite rabbit fact. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye. Hop, hop.